The Bhagavad Gita offers the most timeless wisdom as it was shared by none other than the Supreme Lord Shree Krishna himself. And Jog is here to transform your life. Presenting the International Gita Festival 2025, the biggest online Gita festival ever. Participate in more than 20 different unique contests curated for every age group and also for every art form, be it coloring contests, Gita recitation, Gita speech, essay writing contests, Gita poetry, Gita quizzes, short film making, reel making, performing arts, and lots more. Participate in 3 or more contests and become eligible to win the Gita Pandit title. You can also bag a prize money of up to $250, which is 25,000 rupees. What is more, the grand award ceremony is going to take place from April 7th to the April 14th, where we are going to be reciting and reading the translation of all the 700 verses of the Bhagavad Gita. What is more, key highlights include sharing of wisdom from Swami Mukundanand ji and renowned authorities and personalities on the Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad Gita story segment, Gita conference, and devotional performances. So why wait? Hurry and register now only on www.jkyog.org/Gita Festival.